Before you guys view our video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel. Meditation, how to start, and how long you should practice it. Meditation is a practice to achieve mental as well as emotional peace and stability. It requires an individual to include techniques such as focusing on a specific object, mindfulness and mental clearance. Apart from its health benefits, it is also significantly related to the spiritual aspects, as in Hinduism and Buddhism. Meditation is a traditional practice and has been mentioned even in the Vedas. When is meditation effective? You cannot just randomly meditate and claim all its psychological, neurological, and cardiovascular benefits. Scientists confirm that meditation only plays an advantageous role if you maintain the proper frequency of meditation, regulate time or length of meditation, carry capability to conceive cultural relevance and determine the reason for your practice. Enjoy this mindful practice and follow correct instructions. When you practice meditation in an orderly manner and continue it for a longer duration of time, do you know about meditation competence? For a normal being, an ideal length of the meditation is something he or she can regulate daily. It shouldn't be something that's fluctuating way too often. Hence, it is vital to design your meditation as practical or realistic, replicable, i.e. followed exactly similar like the previous one. Enjoyable. Types of meditation. In simple and practical terminology, meditation is just a breathing and calming exercise. You necessarily should do it in a way that's comfortable to you, like practicing it while listening to your favorite tune or melody, or while doing morning prayer. Below are some other types of meditation you can do. Walking meditation, visualization meditation, transcendental meditation, spiritual or mantra meditation, focused meditation. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.